this is what we wanted. It's what we needed.
Pennsylvania College of Technology recently fulfilled the wish list of faculty and students working in one of the oldest buildings on campus. Nearly 2 years of planning and months of installation resulted in the transformation of more than a half dozen labs in the Electrical Technology Center.
Smiles, happiness, gratefulness, joy. Pick an adjective.
We're really excited because we're taking a deeper dive into some of the lab work we can do because of the space that we have. So that just then builds to what they do in the next lab and then the next lab. Somebody coming in this year and then moving through everything is just going to see and do more than we were able to offer before.
Being here when it went from older to newer, it's been good change.
That's because the labs feature the latest industry standard equipment and provide individual instructional stations for about 100 students per semester enrolled in one of 4 degrees related to electrical technology.
It's a lot nicer to have the newer equipment just because that might be something we're more likely to work on.
It's all up to date. It's more user friendly. So hopping on it the first time and looking over it, you can easily tell what is what.
Training stations, everything in here is 100% brand new. The motor control lab, 100% brand new. So 74 training stations. Again, every student gets their own. Industrial wiring lab, brand new equipment, everything. We have motor control centers in there, switch gear going in, transformers, lighting contactors, conduit, reamers, threaders, everything, brand new.
The 3 electrical construction labs include rebuilt workstations for the major, now offered as an associate degree after years as a certificate program. Electrical technology and mechatronics students also benefit from the new design.
And they needed a different station layout. Each student has their own individual station, and then they keep that station the whole 16 weeks.
Faculty relied on their expertise and industry input to design the labs and choose the new equipment. Several instructors worked throughout the summer to begin the installation process.
And then once the school semester began, we did start incorporating students in here from the various classes. Students mounted most of the motor control enclosures. So out of 74, I believe we hung 13. The students did the rest. They started doing all the wiring. They did quite a bit.
They pretty much got to build those panels, which they never would get to do otherwise. So some good experience.
Hands-on experience is the hallmark of all the electrical degrees. Graduates of the various programs reflect Penn College's 98% placement rate.
In this field where everything is hands-on, if you don't get any of that experience, you'll get out there and someone will be like, hey, work on this, and you'll have no idea where to begin.
So with like all this new equipment and having like these real life scenarios that's put in front of you and then doing it, then it helps a lot. It's one of the biggest things that you can do in school that helps you learn more.
This all ties back to when the students leave here, they will have touched everything here that they're going to work on when they graduate.
When they get a job, they're ready to hit the ground running. They don't have that sort of on-the-job training because they've been doing it here for 2 years.
For PC Today, I'm Tom Spicer.